Alan says it takes so long to make whiskey. It does, but it makes it better, right? Like at that same dinner, I the guy from Glenfiddich, who I also ended up becoming friends with, he brought a Glenfiddich 30, and that was delicious. I don't know if you guys have had something that old. You know, it's kind of hard to find something that old nowadays. But the Glenfiddich 30 that he brought was, I mean, incredible. It was like green apple juice. You know, like when it ages that long, it loses like that harsh edge. And then another thing, you know, kind of a little bit of a secret. I move things around, but behind that flag that's in my background, that's the yellow golf flag that's in my background, I actually have a bottle of Glenfiddich. It's a bottle of Glenfiddich that was a special collaboration between them and Mr. Porter. You know, like the men's brand online. They did a collaboration. It was about maybe like 5 years ago now, and they made 2,000 bottles, 1,500 bottles, I think. And there was like an online lottery for it, and I won in the second chance lotto for it. So I have one of the bottles. I can't remember what number it is, but you know, it's like an individually numbered and labeled bottle. It's just conveniently hiding behind that flag. But yeah, so I love Glenfiddich, and it does take a long time, but the longer it is, the more you get to enjoy it.